How to open Apple Mail. Apple Mail is an email program that is included with Apple's Mac OS operating system. One of the ways to open Mail is to hover over the dock until you find the Mail icon. Click the Mail icon to launch the program. If you can't find Mail in the dock, click the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of your desktop. Begin typing the word Mail in the box. Click on Mail when it appears. The last way to open Apple Mail is to open a new Finder window. To do this, click File, and then New Finder window. Click Applications here. Finally, double-click the Mail icon. Apple Mail will open, and you are now ready to begin using the program.